How to add shift lock in Roblox Studio. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. For that, you can go ahead and open up Roblox Studio directly and head over to one of your plays or experience and open it up. Now what you need to do is in this right hand side tab, you need to open up the Explorer in Properties option on your screen. So if you do not have this option turned on yet, what you can do is from this menu right here, go to View tab and look out for this Explorer tab. Click on it to turn it on, and same goes for Properties as well. Now once it is turned on, it is pretty easy for your PC. You can just go ahead from this right hand side, look out for Start Repair, and this Properties opens up on your screen. Now what you need to do is from here, just scroll down until you reach over to this controls section right here. You can see the controls. You just need to turn on this option called Enable Mouse Lock option. So if this option is turned off, you can just go ahead and turn this option on. And once that is done, it should just go ahead and do it. That way your shift lock has been turned on for your experience on Roblox. Now you can just go ahead and test it out with your device, and that way you can just go ahead and enable mouse lock. So that is it for today's video. If you'd also like to do so, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.